2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.